Alright, so DeepSeek just wrapped up their open source week, and let me tell you, it wasn't just some PR stunt. They didn't just share a couple of basic tools. No, they dropped some serious high-level optimizations that can change how AI models are trained and run. This is the kind of stuff that usually stays locked up inside top AI labs, and what's crazy is that they didn't even have to do this, but they did. Now, DeepSeek's already making serious money, an estimated 84.5% profit margin, theoretically raking in around $500,000 per day, which adds up to nearly $200 million a year. And during this open source week, they basically handed over the blueprints to their success. So today we're going to break down what DeepSeek's open source week actually means for AI. And don't worry, I'll keep it simple so that even if you don't have a technical background, you'll get why this is a big deal. Alright, let's get into it. So before we even get into what DeepSeek dropped, let's talk about why open sourcing AI code even matters. A lot of AI companies make billions by keeping their code closed. The big names, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google DeepMind, they don't share their best work. They might open source some tiny stuff here and there, but the real money-making algorithms, nope, locked up. Alright, now let's talk about what DeepSeek actually open sourced. Originally, they said they'd release 5 repositories, but they ended up dropping 8. That's wild. And these weren't just any random AI tools. These were some of the most optimized and high-performance codes. Alright, first up, Flash MLA. If you've heard of Flash Attention, this is similar, but specifically for DeepSeek's attention mechanism. The whole idea behind Flash Attention is that it speeds up how AI processes data. Normally, the GPU would hit a memory bottleneck because it's trying to process too much at once. Flash MLA fixes that by breaking data into chunks and processing them more efficiently. Next, we got DeepEP, which stands for Deep Expert Parallelism. AI models are usually dense, meaning every part of the model is used every time you make a prediction. But newer architectures like Mixture of Experts MOE only activate parts of the model when needed, making them more efficient. The problem is training these models is super complicated. DeepSeek's DP makes this process way more efficient and scalable, and again, it's optimizing CUDA, making it ridiculously fast. Day 3 brought us DeepGEMM, which optimizes matrix multiplications. AI models are basically giant math calculators, and a huge part of what they do is matrix multiplication. DeepSeek optimized this process at the lowest level, making it up to 2.7x faster in certain cases. And so on day 4 and 5 were also insane. So why does all this matter? Well, AI training is expensive, like insanely expensive. Companies spend hundreds of millions just to train a single model. DeepSeek's optimizations make AI training more efficient, which means smaller companies and independent researchers can now do what previously only billion-dollar companies could. This could lead to more competition, better models, and even cheaper AI services. Alright, that's all for today. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.